How to turn off voicemail on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to turn off voicemail on iPhone, launch the settings application on your device firstly and now scroll down and tap on the phone option. Here, under calls, tap on the call forwarding option. Make sure the toggle button for call forwarding is toggled on. Now open the phone application on your device and tap on the keypad option. Now tap on the following keys, that is #004#. Doing this will disable voicemail along with a few other services too, as shown in the screen. Tap on the dismiss option. If your voicemail is still not off, then contact the customer service for your carrier and ask them to disable or turn off voicemail service on your device, and they will do the further required process. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.